So this is what it looks like. You can see little pieces of rice in there, and this is the carrot flavor. And it came in this little box with a paper inside of it. Okay, so I'm gonna go over this kind of quick because my phone's gonna die. You can slow it down if you have to in the settings, and I don't get paid in any way, shape, or form from this. I wish though. I just thought this was a good, healthy snack since I started like fasting and like losing weight the past month. So yeah, I got a veggie stick sample box with 5 flavors for $6. I'll try to look for the link on Facebook again because I saved it because I know that's not available on their website. So it's from ZenB. The red bell pepper flavor was my favorite along with the corn one. The corn one, since they're all naturally sweetened, reminded me kind of like a corn cereal, so that was good. So red bell pepper and corn, my favorites. I also like the carrot. The pumpkin flavor was a little bit too sweet for me. It also had like nutmeg and cinnamon in it. But then again, I think Panera's pumpkin soup is too sweet as well. And then the beet one was chocolate. So I didn't even know it was beet flavored. That's how I read it, but it was beets and chocolate. And the cool thing about this company is they use the whole part of the fruit or the vegetable, so it's more nutritious and none of it's going to waste. Like they use the stems, the seeds, the skin, everything. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe and comment any video suggestions down below. It helps out the YouTube algorithm, so every time you like one of my videos and comment on it, you're more likely to see me in your page.